Join me as I try to make some free money online using Blum Token and Memepad. Let's see if I can actually do it. Blum Token and Memepad are two platforms that caught my attention recently, and I'm excited to share with you how they can help you make money online. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to earn a living online, but it can be overwhelming to navigate through the noise and find something that actually works. Blum Token and Memepad promise to do just that, provide a genuine way to earn money without breaking the bank or wasting your time. I'm sure many of you have tried different platforms, hoping to make some extra cash online, only to be met with disappointment and frustration. The hype surrounding get-rich-quick schemes and unrealistic promises can be exhausting. You might have even lost money or wasted your time on platforms that didn't deliver. It's natural to be skeptical when approaching new opportunities, and I'm no exception. Making money online can be tough, especially when you're just starting out. It takes time, effort, and patience to build a reliable income stream. I've been there too, and I know how it feels to be stuck in a rut, unsure of which direction to take. That's why it's essential to separate the wheat from the chaff, to find platforms that genuinely care about their users and provide real value. It's crucial to be realistic about the potential earnings and the work required to achieve them. No platform can guarantee overnight success, and anyone claiming otherwise is likely trying to scam you. So, what makes Blum Token and Memepad different? How do they stand out from the rest? And what benefits do they offer that can help you achieve your online earning goals? Blum Token and Memepad work by leveraging blockchain technology and a user-friendly interface to create a seamless experience for users. With Blum Token, you can earn rewards in the form of tokens, which can be redeemed for real cash or used to purchase various digital assets. Memepad, on the other hand, is a platform that allows you to monetize your online presence by sharing your thoughts, opinions, and experiences. The more you contribute, the more you earn. One of the most significant benefits of Blum Token and Memepad is their accessibility. You don't need to be a tech-savvy individual or have a massive following to get started. The platforms are designed to be user-friendly, so anyone can join and begin earning. Plus, the community is active and supportive, which helps to stay motivated and inspired on your journey.